I have always been fascinated in understanding how things work. This is reflected not only in my interests, but also in my day job. I am a cancer researcher at Cardiff University, and I really love my job. Every day is different and brings new challenges. 1 in 2 people born in the UK since 1960 will be diagnosed with cancer during their lifetime. Every cancer is, however, different, and in order to understand these differences, I investigate the ways in which cells communicate to one another in order to help the tumour to grow. Unfortunately, interpreting these signals is very difficult, but we hope that we can detect these signals within patient blood and allow us to develop new tests that will help us to identify patients with cancer. I now lead my own research group of young and talented researchers. I hope that these guys are lucky enough to receive the same training and support that I have received over the years. I believe it is vitally important to support early career researchers, and I would like to thank everyone who has helped this to happen.